Hello students, let us continue the lesson adding a new slide. Next point is adding a new slide. How to add a new slides in PowerPoint presentation. And before continuing this point, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. Adding a new slide. While creating a presentation, we may need to insert new slides in it. So while preparing the presentation, so we require to add the new slides because in a single slide it is not enough to put all the information. So that's why we require many slides in a presentation. We can add any number of slides as per the need. Here there is no any limitation. You can add as many slides as you want. Okay, you can add that slides in your presentation. Whenever we add a new slide in our presentation, we must select its layout first. So whenever you want to add a new slide, first its layout must be selected. Means when we select the layout, then according to that layout we can insert the contents in that in that new slide. So first of all, let me open a PowerPoint. Here power PNT is a shortcut key, shortcut to open a PowerPoint. Okay, so this is the PowerPoint, and see, when we open a PowerPoint we have only single slide, and in this single slide it is not possible to add all the contents. Understood? So one slide we can use it for adding the title. Next we require other slides to add other information, like to add a pictures, to add charts, graphics, videos, audios. We need a number of slides. Okay, so that's why, so this point is very important, how to insert or how to add a new slide in a presentation. Okay, see the points here. Open an existing presentation. Example, my presentation. So open any one existing presentation which you have created in your system. So now I have opened one new presentation only. Okay, and I have only one slide in that new presentation. Nothing is there. I have not added anything in that presentation. Click on the drop down arrow next to the new slide button in the slides group on the home tab. So when after opening a presentation, see here, click on a new slide option. So that option is present in a home tab of slides group. Okay, so home tab, in a home tab we have a slides group. In a slides group we have a new slide button. Okay, see here. So this new slide is button is given, and different types of layouts are given in that new slide button. A list of available slide layouts will be displayed. Okay, so already I have shown you, and that image also given here. Here these are the available layouts, okay, that is present in that new slide option. Click on the desired layout. So, desired layout, which type of layout you want in your presentation. If you are going to insert a picture, if you are going to insert only title, or if you are going to compare any two contents, so in that cases, according to the requirement, you choose the layout. PowerPoint will add a new slide with the selected layout in the center of the PowerPoint window. So when we choose that particular layout, so that new this one will be added. So the new slide will be added according to the selected layout. The new slide can also be seen in the slides tab on the left. Okay, in the slide tab we can see that inserted new slide, and you can see one shortcut key is given here. You can also insert a new slide in your presentation by using Ctrl plus M key combination. Okay, so that we see in a practical. See here, so already we have only one slide. Click on this new slide button and you choose the content. Okay, I'll choose a picture with caption. Okay, new slide. So picture with caption slide is inserted here. And see, this is, and in this slides pane it is showing number of slides, how many slides you are going to insert. Click on new slide again, then again select the type of a slide, layout, which type of layout you require in your presentation. Okay, then here I am going to insert one more comparison, one more slide, blank slide. Okay, see, I have inserted 5 slides, and afterwards you can design these slides as per your requirements. Okay, you can design it and you can go on add the contents in this each slide. Okay, and what happens is that slide will be displayed in this slides tab also, you can see. And sometimes what happens after inserting a slide, we want to change the layout. Okay, see here, so now it is a picture with caption, but I don't want. In that case, you can select that slide and go to layout option and see picture with caption is there. I will select content with caption, so that slide will be changed according to the selected layout. Okay, so that slide got changed automatically according to the layout what we have selected. So in this way you can insert the new slide and you can change the layout also. I hope you have understood this point, how to insert a new slide. And one more thing is, you can use a shortcut key. For example, I'll come to slide sorter view. You can see here we have 5 slides, and I'll open a keyboard. Okay, on screen keyboard. In this keyboard, I am going to press Ctrl and M button. So when I press Ctrl M, see here 6th slide got inserted. When I press once again Ctrl M, 7th slide got inserted. So like this, you can use this one. Okay, so that's the shortcut key to insert the new slide. Okay, I hope you have understood this point, how to insert a new slide in a presentation. And adding a pictures to the title and content slide we'll see in a next video. In the next session we will discuss this, adding the pictures. Thank you for watching, and if you are not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. Thank you for watching.